Hey, what's up, everybody, and welcome to another online business assessment video. And today I have a food niche, cake niche, to be exact, website. And I'm going to talk about the growth potential of the website and how much the value, and a little bit of easy wins with that one. So let's jump in. My name is Shlomo Freund, and I help you finding your next digital asset. Let's jump in. Let me share my screen. Share screen here. This one. Okay, we have cakesprices.com. This is the website. See it here, cakesprices.com. You can't get wrong with what this website does. And the interesting thing is that has lots and lots of pages. I didn't check how many different cakes companies or cake stores and the prices of those cakes. So definitely they're going for keywords that are long tail keywords. People are looking for this exact keyword to know what to buy from them. I'll give you in a minute my take on how you can grow that further. But let's first look at the listing. So we have a listing on Flippa. This is a classified ad for 17. We have the seller, and excuse me for jumping down here first, Christina. I made probably 4 or 5, even 6 of those listings of Christina. And this is a company that bought a portfolio website, so they say, but they're not interested in those niches. So they are selling those, and they bought them a few years ago, and now they're getting rid of those. Must say that compared to other listings, this description is quite short. Usually do a better job with this one, and we'll go through this and find the pitfalls and what you can do with this listing. Cakes prices. Unlock the potential of a doormat cakes website. Make over $500 per month with AdThrive. That's an important point, that it's AdThrive and not Ezoic or AdSense. No activity for the past 3 years, and a little bit of marketing jam here. Imagine possibilities if you work on it. Okay, fine. Sorry, I don't buy those. I see so many of those. Christina is verified. They already have 33 totaling transaction, 14 transaction, 100 positive feedback. That's a good sign. This website has over 12,000 unique visits a month. It's 7 years old. It's making a monthly profit on average of $488 a month. Profit margin 98. Profit multiple is 3. So Flippa is doing a yearly multiple, so that's equal 36 in monthly terms. Okay, let's look at the listings over here. Okay, about the business. Sale, another great website for sale. Our previous website listed was sold for within 48 hours. This one is not. I've already seen this listing up for more than 48 hours. They did previous bidding process and not a classified ad, so I wonder why they moved to this one for this kind of sale. Maybe that makes them more money, I don't know. Start by checking the history authority of the website, which ranks for over 8,500 keywords, 2,000 keywords in Google first page. That's probably all the long tail keywords for cake price for, and the name of a store, name of a company. In October 2022, they added AdThrive, and they're saying that the account can and will be transferred to the new owner. That's a very, very important point, because with the current page views that they have, this website is not eligible for moving to AdThrive. So the fact that it's already AdThrive and they're telling you that it's going to move, you need to make sure that this is actually going to happen. Because if you're going to move it to you and the AdThrive contract with them, they might not get you back in AdThrive. So check that thoroughly. The minimum page views for AdThrive is 50,000 page views. However, if this is true, that's a wonderful opportunity to go into AdThrive and probably bring in more websites afterwards that you buy. So that's a very good strategy to do. You have a 17,500 ticket to go into AdThrive. You probably can negotiate this. Again, check that indeed with AdThrive that they can move it to, they can move your account into AdThrive. And if this is your first website with AdThrive that you're buying and you're going with AdThrive, that's a wonderful opportunity. They're just saying this is a great opportunity for someone who wouldn't meet the criteria to join AdThrive Premium Network. Right now from AdThrive, the website makes over $500 per month. You can triple the amount by updating old articles. Maybe that's a strategy. Of course, you need to update those. That goes without saying. But it doesn't necessarily mean that you can triple it or whatever they're promising. Facebook account is included in the sale, which makes it even more valuable. So I had a look at the Facebook account. Must say, not super thrilled. Look at this one. So yes, it has, how many? 3,000 followers, but first of all, it's not active. The last one was April 2020. And second thing, the comments looks like they're fake. So sometimes it's the same people, if I'm not wrong. They're very general. So I wouldn't trust them. I mean, I don't think that's worth much. This webpage, this Facebook group, sorry, that's what I meant to say. Let's keep reading. With over 20,000 page views per month and over 150 articles written, huge potential to triple the page views with updating old content that uses the rank in the past. You can easily triple the revenue in 2-3 months. I doubt it. Definitely, it's a strategy you should go with. I'm not sure it can be done in 2-3 months. We're selling the website is not part of our niches and we're experts in this. This they keep saying on every listing. When we acquired it, it was in the batch website. I showed you this before. Don't miss the opportunity. Let us know if you have any questions. Okay. They connected Google Analytics and AdThrive, so you can see the income and the traffic. So this is the income from AdThrive. You can see here $503 in June. It's not very consistent. Let's see if it's consistent with the traffic. Well, so all the websites or many websites connected to Google Analytics for the last 3 months, so you don't have a lot of data anymore. Usually had a lot of history of data. Anyway, ask for Google Analytics or GA4 access when you're buying this website. Ask for a P&L sheet. And I mean, don't buy the website without seeing those. That's my point. Okay, average engagement duration is on, something is off here. So make sure maybe they didn't put the Google Analytics code properly. This is why this data is skewed. They have organic traffic, 87%, direct 12%, referrals, organic, okay. And the good thing is that the top countries are developed countries, United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia. Sri Lanka is not on this list, but you see that's the majority of the traffic. This is probably only for the last month. Let's see if there are any comments. Oh, they have the attachment with screenshots. So let's open one of them. And if I'm not wrong, yeah, that's AdThrive earnings. So you can see earnings here for April, which were there, 140. It doesn't say the website. Well, it says cake prices here, but please do remember, screenshots can be manipulated, okay? So therefore, you should go on a call with the seller and see this for yourself and make a recording of this data. So this is the page views, earnings per day. We have, okay, 800, 500, 300, 500, 600, 400. And this is the earnings. And the earnings per 1,000 is 20. That's okay. I have a website which is much lower for $2-3%, $2-3 per 1,000, and I have one which is around 40. So it really varies. I don't know what's RPM per million, revenue per million, per 1,000. Sorry, page. Okay, that's per page. What else do I have for you? Let's see if there are any comments. No comments. They definitely didn't sell it within 24 hours. You probably can negotiate. There are a lot of watchers for this listing, 130. I don't know how long it's going to last. So have a look here. And one more thing, very important things about strategy. What else can you do with the website? So first of all, if you're going into AdThrive and you're bringing in another website that you have, that's a wonderful strategy to increase the revenue of the other websites, because usually, or many times, let's say this, AdThrive gets you more revenue than other ad networks. There are better ad networks than this one, but let's say if you're in a Zoic or AdSense, the sentiment in the market is that you'll make more money. The other thing that you can do, this website doesn't have any affiliate earnings, okay? Or so you understand from the listing. So if you're looking at one of the listings, it's all with ads. You see the ads at the bottom here. These are AdThrive ads. We'll see this in a sec. So there are some ads here, but that's all. And then you have this table, which is wonderfully used probably with Google, because then you're shown the first page of Google at the top there with this kind of table. So that's a good thing. Anyway, these are AdThrive ads. However, what you can do is expand to affiliate offers. And what kind of affiliate offers would work with Cake Press? The people who are looking for birthday cakes at a certain place, they're looking for cake prices. Therefore, you probably can add affiliate offers for birthday gifts. That can be an option, or for general events gifts, wedding gifts, things like that. Whenever you're buying a cake, you might also buy a present for that person, or you're looking for a present or something like that. So that might be a growth opportunity. And you can even expand by building a newsletter here. Not so much about the cake prices, but more about the presents. So maybe you'll start collecting when are the birthdays of these people that they're buying the cakes for. And over time, you're sending them an email every time before a birthday of one of these people with an offer, of course, an affiliate offer, or your product in the future for this kind of present for that person. I hope that makes sense. I hope this helped you to understand more of how these things work and buying your first website. Again, this is a good opportunity to move into AdThrive and maybe some growth potential there with adding an affiliate network. Please like and subscribe at the bottom or wherever the button is. That would mean a lot to me and will help more people finding the websites. And one more change, this is a new camera. I hope you like it. Click like and comment. How do you think it looks compared to the other videos? Cheers. See you next time.